Jai Hind everybody. So today I am teaching you the construction of similar triangles. Just look at the question. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. And then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 upon 3 times of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. What you have to do in this question? First you have to draw the triangle ABC. This triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 4, BC 5 and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. The first step is this. Draw the given triangle ABC in which, just look here, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Is it there? Now just look at this work. This A BC. This was our step number 1. Now, what is in step number 2? We will draw a ray in the downward direction. Draw ray AX in the downward direction. Okay, such that angle BAX is an acute angle. Is it there? Now the third step. Divide this ray into, just look at the ratio part, 2 upon 3. What is the greater part? 3. So we will divide this ray AX into 3 equal parts. How we will divide that? Just look here. Suppose this thumb is the metal point of the compass and this white chalk is the pencil. We will put here and with the suitable radius, and then we will put here and then we will put here. So we have divide this into A1, A2, and this is point A3. In this way, we will divide this ray X into 3 equal parts. Third step, divide the ray AX into 3 equal parts such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, and this is step number 4. Just look at this ratio 2/3. And you have to construct the triangle whose sides are 2/3 times of the corresponding sides of the given triangle. It means the new triangle will be smaller in size. So for the smaller triangle, we will join this greater part A3. Greater part 3 means A3 to where? This. The second end of the line segment AB, because at the end A we have constructed that ray AX, so we will join this A3 to the another end point of this line segment AB. Is it there? But 2/3 means the new triangle is smaller in size. So for a smaller triangle, we will join the greater part of the ratio, that is 3, to the next point B. Is it there? So what is our next step? Join A3 B, and look at the fifth step. Now through A2, through this point A2, we will draw a line parallel to A3B. And how we will draw this line? Just look there. We will put this thumb is again my metal point. This will put here, and we will cut off an arc to intersect this line and this line. This line means A3 and A3B at 2 points, and then with the same radius, we will put this metal point here, and again we will draw another arc. Then we will measure this A2 to this point, and we will put this here and join them. So this is the intersection of these two. So in this way, we can draw the line parallel to A3B through point A2, and we will join them. This is the line. Suppose this intersects at point B dash, and this line is parallel to this one. So now, what is our next step? Through point A2, draw a line parallel to which line? This one, A3B, parallel to A3B to intersect AB at point B dash. Through point A2, draw a line parallel to A3B to intersect AB at B dash. Is it there? Now in the next step, through point B dash, draw another line parallel to BC, parallel to BC to intersect AC, to intersect AC at point C dash. Now, what is our step number 6? Through point B dash, we will draw a line parallel to this BC that will intersect AC at point C dash. So just look here how we will. This is our metal point and this is the pencil. This chalk is the pencil. We will put here and we will cut off in this way and arc. To intersect AB and BC at two distinct points, and we will put this metal point again here and with the same radius we will cut off the arc, and then we will measure this length in this way. We will put here and cut off the arc and join them, and we will join them. So what will happen? This is point C dash. This is the point C dash. Is it there? This was the previous arc, which was hidden. Now this one, this A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. Okay. A, B dash, is the required triangle. Is it there? Now, look for justification. Just look here. By construction. What will happen? This A B dash upon B dash B. What will be their ratio? Just look here. This is 1, 2 and 1. This will be 2:1. What will happen? AB dash upon B dash B. Just look here. The second part. 2:1. Then invert it. So what will happen? B dash B upon AB dash will be equal to 1:1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Now adding 1 to both sides. So what will happen? Just look here. B dash B upon AB dash plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1. Just look here. Take the LCM here. B dash B, AB dash is here. AB dash will be the LCM of the left hand side. So what it will become? AB dash. And we will multiply this AB dash here. So what will become? B dash B plus this AB dash. AB dash. What is the LCM in the right hand side? 2. 1 plus 2 upon 2. Is it there? Now just look here. B dash B plus AB dash. B dash B plus AB dash. What is this? This is AB or not? This whole length is AB. It means AB upon AB dash. How much? 3 upon 2. Or again I am inverting this. AB dash upon AB is equal to 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Is it there? What is the ratio of AB dash upon AB? 2:3. Now just look there. In this triangles ABC and AB dash C dash. Now in triangles, which one? A B dash C dash, and in triangle A B C. In triangle A B dash C dash and in triangle A B C. Just look here. Angle B dash A C dash. Angle B dash A C dash. This is not equal to angle BAC, BAC, and why? This is common angle A. And look at the another thing. This angle A B dash C dash, angle A B dash C dash will be equal to angle ABC. ABC, and why they are equal? because they are corresponding angles. Which one? Angle A B dash C dash. A B dash C dash. It is this angle and this angle. They will be equal. Why? Because this line and this line are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, then angle A B dash C dash will be equal to angle ABC, because they are corresponding angles. By angle or double A. Similarity rule. These two triangles, triangle, this one A B dash C dash will be similar to triangle AB C. By angle similarity rule, the triangle A B dash C dash and triangle ABC, they will be similar. Since when the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion. So we are using this fact here that when the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So now just look here. Now which two parts will be in proportion? So just look here, we are considering these two triangles again. This was triangle. This was A B dash C dash, and look what things we are used here. The first thing was this one, angle B dash A C dash, yani this angle will be equal to the angle ABC of this. It means the point A will be here. Second thing, angle A B dash C dash, this one, this was equal to angle ABC. It means here is the point B and this is the C. So now we will use this CPCT for the corresponding part. Now just look here, what will happen? A B dash upon AB. This will be equal to what? A C dash upon AC, and this will be equal to B dash C dash upon BC. So what is this? A B dash upon AB is equal to AC dash upon AC and B dash C dash upon BC. Now just look here. What is the value of AB upon AB dash? Suppose this was equation number 1 and this was equation number 2. So what will happen from the equation first and second? The AB dash upon AB is how much? 2 upon 3. So from first and second, what will happen? AB dash upon AB is equal to AC dash upon AC is equal to B dash C dash upon BC will be equal to 2 upon 3. So now what was the question? He constructs the triangle similar to the triangle ABC whose sides are 2 upon 3 times of the corresponding sides of the given triangle ABC. So just look here. Just see the ratio of the heights. Is it not 2 upon 3? So in this way, this question is justified. Now, this is the next question. Draw a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and angle ABC is 60 degree. Then construct a triangle similar to it with a scale factor 3 upon 2. Just look at the previous question. The scale factor was 2 upon 3 and here the scale factor is 3 upon 2. Just look at the numerator. In the previous question, the numerator was smaller than denominator. Then the triangle was smaller in size. But in this question, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Then the triangle will be larger in size. So now, how we should start this question? First we will draw this triangle ABC in which AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and angle ABC is 60 degree. So just look here. This is a triangle ABC. Is it there? This is point A. This is point B. And this is point C. What is our step number 1? Construction step. Draw the triangle ABC and produce its sides AB and AC. What is the first step? To draw the triangle ABC, okay, in which AB is 5, BC is 6 and angle ABC is 60 degree, okay, and produce its sides AB and AC. Since here the scale factor is 3 upon 2, in the scale factor the numerator is greater than the denominator, therefore the triangle will be larger in size. Okay. So for the larger triangle, first we will draw this triangle and then we will produce these two sides, AB and AC. So just look here. This we have produced. Is it there? The same step. Now the next thing, we will draw array AX. Then draw array AX in the downward direction such that what is there? This angle BAX. BAX is an acute angle and divide ray AX. AX. This symbol is there, arrow symbol is there. This is divide ray AX and divide ray AX into 3 equal parts. Such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3. Is it there? Just in the previous question, we will, this is the first part, A1, A2 and this is A3. Is it there? Now for the larger triangle we will join this, or we can say always we will join according to this number 2. So we will join this A2 to point B. Step number 3, join A to B. Which points we will join? We will see the denominator. 2 is there, therefore A to B. We will join this. Is it there? Now, through point A3, through A3, draw a line. Draw a line parallel to which one? A to B to intersect what? AB produced to intersect AB produced at point, suppose that was B dash. B dash. Now what we will do? We will draw a line parallel to this one. This is point B. Just same as in the question, previous question. And where they are intersecting, I have mentioned there at point B dash. Is it okay there? These two lines are parallel. And again, through point B dash, we will draw the line parallel to BC to intersect root AC at C dash. Is it there? Now step number 5. Through B dash, draw another line parallel to what? BC. BC to intersect what? To intersect AC produced at point C dash. What we did in this step? Through point B dash, draw another line parallel to BC to intersect AC produced at point C dash. And this one. Now, just look here. The triangle A, B dash, C dash. A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. Now, look at the justification. Just look at these two triangles. Triangle ABC and AB dash C dash, they are similar. Just in the previous question, since which triangle? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle A, B dash, C dash. Why they are similar? Because this angle and this angle B and B dash, they are equal. They are the corresponding angle, and this angle A is common for both the triangles. Therefore, they are similar. AB upon this AB dash is equal to BC upon B dash C dash is equal to AC upon AC dash. Now by construction, this AB upon BB dash, AB upon BB dash will be, this is 1, 2 and ratio 1. This is the one part and this is the two parts. AB upon BB dash is 2 upon 1. We can invert them. Therefore, what will happen? BB dash upon AB. 1 upon 2 or not. If I will invert them, so BB dash upon AB will become 1 upon 2. Now adding 1 to both sides. Just look here. What will happen? 1 plus BB dash upon AB will be equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2. Is it there? Now take the LCM. In the left hand side, the LCM is AB, and this AB will multiply here. So what will happen? AB plus BB dash upon AB is equal to, just look here, 2 plus 1 upon 2. Is it there? Now just look here. What is now? AB plus BB dash. This AB plus BB dash. Is it not AB dash? Just look here. AB. Is it here na? AB plus BB dash is what? AB dash AB dash, and in the denominator is there AB. This is equal to what? 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. This is your equation number second. Equation number second. Is it there? Now from equation first and second, here I am writing from equation 1. Beta AB upon AB dash is equal to this. Can we invert all of them? So what will happen? AB dash upon AB is equal to B dash C dash upon BC is equal to AC dash upon AC. This is equation number third. Is it there? From first I have inverted this. इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया. तो what will happen? AB dash upon AB is equal to B dash C dash upon BC is equal to AC dash upon AC. This is equation number third. Now from equation second and third. From equation second and third. So what will happen? Just look here. Here is AB dash upon AB is 3 upon 2. So all these ratios will be equal to 3 upon 2. So what will happen? A B dash upon AB is equal to B dash C dash upon BC is equal to AC dash upon AC is equal to how much? 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. Is it there? And the construction is verified. The construction is verified. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.